Hello guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change color of object in Photoshop. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First you need to open Photoshop. I already opened an image of a girl. The color of the dress is white. Now I'm going to change this dress color. First you need to click on object selection tool and select the girl dress. Then you need to select the quick selection tool to do some precise editing. Like I'm going to remove this arm from here and also the color foot and this extra part. Okay, now I need to zoom out. After that you need to click on layers and create group. Okay, the group is created. Then you need to click on layer mask. Okay, then you need to click on adjustment layer and create a layer of solid color. I'm going to create in yellow so it is more visible. Then you need to click here and create another layer of brightness and contrast. Okay, so two layers are created here. I need to select this layer and slightly move it to the up. Okay, now this is normal. I'm going to change this mode to darken, multiply, anything that I like. It is more okay. So this is the more appealing to me. Okay, I'm going to adjust brightness according to my need. Okay, so you can see that I easily change the dress of a girl to the white. So you can see that I easily change the dress color of a girl into the white yellow. So by following these steps you can easily change any color in Adobe Photoshop of object. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.